My apologies, friends. It has been a while since I have uploaded. Ironically enough, my soldering iron failed. So at first I thought it was maybe this buckle came undone and, it slipped out or something. Nope, that wasn't it. It wasn't that this thing was loose up here. No, the heating element burnt out. So I thought, well, maybe something, popped loose or anything. Tried tapping it. No, actually, I have to completely replace the heating element. And so I thought, just buy a new whole whip for it and everything. No, I found them, but they have the opposite terminals as opposed to this one. And I couldn't find the whole setup. I found the ends. I found just the tips for them, and then I found other ones that only had like 4 prongs or whatever. But I had this thing open, and I actually found the exact same heating element that is inside of it. So, ironically, I need a soldering iron to fix my soldering iron. So, we're just going to go ahead and pause the video and get everything set up. So I was initially clipping the previous wires so that I could line up the, match the colors to them. But strangely enough, they come pre-lengthed, like pretty much exactly to where they need to go. I guess to, semi-idiot proof this thing. And so, I'm just going to be using one of these old school plug and play soldering irons. And, well, let's go ahead and pop this sucker. Big old chunk of stuff right there. There we go. And there we go. It's always the tools you need that you can't find, and you see them everywhere when you don't need them. Maybe. I'll clip that down. Come on. Oh, oops. Well, meant to have that lined up, but probably extra wire just in case anyway. Like that. Sorry for the sniffles, by the way. I've just had a runny nose for like a week. Looking for that pair of tweezers again. No, still nothing. Oh well, I'll make do. Let's see Come on. Get out of there. Come on. Finally. Jeez. That one was a lot easier than the previous one. Well, that didn't work. Maybe this is some sort of like aluminum wire. Maybe this one's the heater wire. I don't know. This wire right here shouldn't be like nichrome or canthal or stainless steel or whatever wire they're using to heat the element. But you never know. They might use like aluminum wire down here just for like heat dissipation or something. Stay. Come on, just this one. No. Heat that back up. There we go. Hopefully this one being pre-tinned will just fuse right in there. Thought the other one was pre-tinned, but apparently it didn't take. Because of this weird, whatever weird metal they're using as the wire. I kind of want to tin that one more because makes me uneasy being so few solder. All right, so that part's done. Whoops, I bumped my display. So give me one moment, I'm going to put it back together. All right, it is reinstalled, and that was me turning it on. Let's see if it heats up. It usually only takes a few seconds, and it still does not seem to be working. So I wonder... Oh, no, it is heating up. Okay, yeah. Oh, and there we go. All right, let's see. Oh, sorry, the ring light is like right in front of my face, so I have to duck down. I just need a better setup. All right, come on. Let's see. Yep, you melt solder just fine. All right. Seems to solder just fine now. And maybe I should clean this off a bit. Where's my brush? And I've lost my brush. So, yeah, I just rearranged my entire setup, and now I can't find anything. So, either way, that is the ironic soldering iron repair that it requires 2 soldering irons to complete, the one you're working on and the one you're working with. Yeah, that was an interesting repair. I'm not surprised at the fact that I had to buy an element and couldn't buy just like the whole handset piece, because like they sell them for other models and brands and stuff like that, but not this one apparently. So luckily I had the spare dumb iron to repair this one with. And I don't know, it's convenient enough that I found the elements. I also bought a couple of more just in case it happens again. Then I still have the spare soldering iron. That's actually my field soldering iron. This was the first time I had ever used it. But I just so happened to need it at home for the first use case. And that was pretty fun, easy enough to do. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you werewolves.